Hi everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day is an adventure in my kitchen and sometimes in my car. So I did this next video a couple days ago and I have put it into practice today. So we made some spring rolls and they were so good, and I had to just try it out today because today is Friday and I am on the go all day today, but I really wanted to watch my calorie intake and I didn't want to stop at any fast food, and so I made spring rolls to go. And so basically I have salad in a spring roll that I can eat here while I wait for my next thing to happen. It's a running around, kids running around day. So I'm here for about 30-40 minutes before I run the kid to the next thing, and then I'm there for 30-40 minutes before I run the kid to the next thing. So I decided to be real healthy and do my spring rolls. And I wasn't gonna make a video, but then after I ate it, I was like, this is so life-changing because I can bring a salad on the go, because I can literally pick it up. I even put my dressing inside of it. Oh yeah, so good. You guys, really, literally, this is gonna happen at my house every Friday. Not even joking. Anyway, I can pick it up and eat it in the car with no problem. The only thing that I would do differently is wrap it in, maybe put a piece of parchment inside of my glass container, because the wetness of my rice paper roll stuck to my glass container, and so it doesn't come up very easily without tearing. So I will try it with parchment, but let me just tell you what, this is a great find. Also, you'll notice that this roll is much fatter than the ones that I did in the video. So don't be afraid to stuff those things full and enjoy your rice paper roll spring rolls. So without further ado, here is that video. Welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day should be an adventure in your kitchen. And today's adventure brings us to the Asian-inspired spring roll. So I picked up some rice paper roll, spring roll wrappers from my local grocery store. And the coolest thing ever is that they are 30 calories per wrapper. And they have a nice little spring roll recipe on the back, but like the rebel that I am not going to follow the recipe. I'm gonna just put things in that I think that I know that I like. So first thing we do is the rice paper comes like this. We're gonna put it in warm water for 10 seconds, okay? For 10 seconds. So you don't really have to count or anything, but just generally 10 seconds. And then here's my variety of things that I'm going to put in. I have basil, mung bean, cabbage mix, jalapeno, cucumber, chicken, sesame seeds, wontons, and cashews. It was part of a mix, and so we're going to use that for my husband's. That's not gluten-free. And we're gonna have some green onion. I also have 2 dipping sauces here because I want to make sure to try it. Okay, so whenever you take it out, you will see that it is kind of slimy, but it is totally fine. Just spread it out as best you can. This one has a little tear in it, but that shouldn't matter. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of cabbage in. We will put a couple of mung beans, and this mainly is for crunch, but I love mung beans. We'll put a little basil. We'll put a couple jalapenos for my husband. This is my husband's. And put a couple of cucumbers, a few pieces of chicken, maybe a few more. All right, green onions. He loves onion. And then we'll use a little bit of this. Okay, that's it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up and we are going to fold and push. Don't push too hard though. Then we're gonna roll it over again, kind of like a burrito, and then roll the rest of the way up. There you go. First spring roll is done. So there you have it. All right, so let's try that again. And this is my first time making spring rolls. I have not made these before now. I just looked at the directions and I said, okay, I know what I want to eat in mine, and then we're gonna go from there. So the cat wants to be part too. We have a Sphinx cat, which is a hairless cat, and he is very vocal and loves to be part of everything. So if you ever see him, his name is Gimli. He's a black Sphinx. All right, oh, not quite ready yet. You can tell because it's firm, but it's not super firm. There we go. All right, here we go. Again, we'll just spread it out really well. Let's add our veggies in. So and I don't know if you have to work fast or not. I just know that working fast worked for me because I don't want them to tear. All right, another couple jalapenos and some of his little mix, and bam, and there we go, another spring roll all done. All right, I'm gonna tuck that in, fold it over, and continue to roll. Another spring roll made. Look at that, look how cute they are. They're so cute. I can't wait. So I'm gonna make about 5 for my husband, and then I'll make some for me. There we go. There are his 5. So now I will make a couple for me. And this is what we're having for dinner. So if he likes them, I have plenty more that I can make for him. And I'll just make one for me so that I can try, so that you can see me try it and see what I think. All right, out of the water it comes. Okay, so this one's gonna be mine. So I'm gonna make mine big, like we know that we need to do. I am not gonna put jalapeno in mine though, because our jalapenos from our garden are super hot this year. So I do not want to burn off my lips. I am gonna put onion and cucumber and chicken. So there you go. Onion, cucumber, and chicken. I'm also, I don't know if you've noticed, but as the spring roll sits there, it kind of dries a little bit. So after I wrap this one, I will let it dry a little bit before I cut it, because I definitely don't want it to fall apart. I want it to kind of stay together. Although maybe I won't cut it. Maybe I'll just bite into it. All right, here is mine. So look at that. Look at how pretty. I could put some toasted sesame oil inside mine, you know, kind of like his sesame over there, but I don't think I need to. I think I'll be fine like that. So I'm gonna let that dry for a second before I taste it, because look how these ones are so nice and dry. I don't know if that's good or not. We'll find out. All right, here we go. And into the center, our basil, our mung, our onion, our cucumber, and our chicken. Another thing of chicken. All right, wrap it up. Push, pull. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, the moment of truth, the moment we've all been waiting for. So I'm using this Costco dressing. It's from the Asian chopped salad. And it is super good on the chopped salad. And then I have some sweet chili sauce. So I will try both. I will try it both. But first, we'll try it with the sweet chili sauce. Ready? Okay. It's really good. I feel like there does need to be some, woo! Sweet chili sauce is hot. Right, let's dip it in the Asian sauce now. You ready for this? Well, I don't know. I think they're both good. So, yeah. Well, I'm gonna get off here so that I can enjoy my spring rolls. But I hope you enjoyed this adventure in everyday cooking. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And if there's ever anything that you want me to try, I'd be glad to try because like I mentioned, I am up for the adventure. So thanks you guys, we'll see you next time. Maybe I'll be double.